Predictions in the CBD space. Hi guys, another video from David here at Vape Juice TV. So all the news about CBD oil being banned because it's potentially going to be classified as a novel food. So what's a novel food? A novel food, according to the EU, is a product that wasn't generally consumed before 1997. Now CBD as a product has been consumed for probably centuries, and the World Health Organization did say in 2018 that it's safe for human consumption. The EU want to make sure that it's definitely safe, and it definitely backs up the claims that people aren't really making on the side of their products. In fact, it's not really the EU who are pushing this, it's actually the UK Food Standards Agency along with the German counterparts. So what's going to happen if you like your CBD oil? Well, this is my prediction of where we're going to see it going. So remember these, well remember them, they're out now. It's a short fill e-liquid bottle. And what do? We sell zero nicotine bottles in the shops, and we add a nicotine shot. People buy them separately. So that means that isn't bound by the normal sort of EU nicotine regulations, and the nicotine shots are. So get rid of that. At the moment, you buy your CBD oil in the shops, and these are a bottle of a range of different oils. Our own one is a grapeseed oil. So what's going to happen now? Let me think. Perhaps we're going to find bottles of grapeseed oil or hemp seed oil available in shops where they're not classed as novel foods and they can be sold freely. And next to them will be a small bottle, probably not as big as this, of CBD isolate or CBD distillate that you can buy in its raw form. You're going to go into a shop, you'll buy an oil bottle, you'll go into a shop, you'll buy an oil bottle like this, and you'll buy your raw form CBD, which you can do because that's not going to be a food product either. And then what you do with them is entirely up to you. And that's my prediction for how obviously the CBD space is going to go. CBD oil shots. Give them a go. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, if you find it helps your business, please share it on to one friend today and hit the subscribe link below.